Hi, I'm Barry Williams.
And I'm Sydney Williams.
And together, we're Williams in the Wild. Welcome to Williams in the Wild, your backstage pass to what's happening in this van. You're officially invited to see what it's like to live in a van, follow along for Sydney's speaking and hiking tour across the western part of the United States, and everything that may happen in between. So what are you waiting for? Hop on in. We got places to go.
Good morning. We are about to hike Echo Mountain in Altadena, California. Sydney spoke in Arcadia last night. Went really well. And we're just kind of waiting for a few stragglers to show up for our group. Really pumped about this hike because we're going to pass through the Cobb Estate and we're going to go up to the Echo Mountain Resort, or at least the ruins of it, because it is since burned down. It's been washed out. It used to be owned by the Marx brothers. It used to be a retreat for nuns, and apparently it's haunted, so they say. So it also runs parallel to the trail that we're doing tomorrow, which is the Mount Lowe Railway, excuse me. And that was the first and only electric railway in America. So that one's gonna be a little bit longer tomorrow. That's 10 miles today. It's like 5.4, 1,700 feet elevation. But we got great weather, and we get a bonus surprise when we get up to the top. There's actually a giant megaphone. Yell into it, and surprise, surprise, you get an echo back. So we'll see what it's got to say, and but we got a beautiful day, and really looking forward to this hike. So we'll see you up there.
You guys rock climbing or pretend?
It's nice and cool, man.
Enjoy it.
That's sick.
Hi, buddy. Hey, you want to be on? Oh yeah, there you go. Hello. What you doing, Talia?
I'm ready to shoot a launch.
Oh yeah, maybe. Good morning. We are going up Mount Lowe Railway Trail. It may sound familiar because yesterday we did Echo Mountain, which is right next to it. We saw some of the remnants of the first and only electric railway in America yesterday. Today we're actually going to go up where the railway went. So apparently there's tunnels, there may be waterfalls, and we're also going to see some other remnants of other things, and we're also going to be going by Inspiration Point. So if I play my cards right, I may get a little lucky and we may have a make-out session. What's going on, Sydney?
Hiking?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
We are hiking the Mount Lowe Railway loop
Yeah?
in Altadena, California.
So what kind of part of the trail are we on right now?
We're on a switchback,
Uh-huh.
right?
Yeah?
On a fire road.
Yeah?
Yep.
And where did the train run?
The train ran on the road that we're currently hiking.
Excellent.
Yep, and it was an electric train.
Uh-huh.
And it goes all the way up this thing. It was like the first and only electric train, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so lots of history on this trail. And I think this one, Echo Mountain, was haunted. And I think this one's haunted too, but I haven't felt anything yet, so I'll keep you posted.
One last question.
Yes?
What sound does the train make?
Choo-choo!
All right, here we go. Let's do another switchback.
Hi,
Guess where we're going?
where are we going?
Inspiration Point.
I don't know if I'm ready for that. Are we taking our relationship to that level?
I don't know.
Isn't that where people go to make out?
Make it to second base. Lucky. We're gonna make out?
Oh,
Why?
yeah.
I didn't hike all this way for nothing.
Stand by.
Sugar sweet.
Another.
Imagine being on a train around this. Woo. Woo.
What was your favorite part?
All of it.
What was the terrain like?
Steep, rocky, with
Foresty?
some roads, alpine. We saw waterfalls,
You see any wildlife?
birds, a few raptors. We heard them anyways.
Was there any furry creatures that tried to take you out?
Oh, that squirrel.
Yeah,
Big. Big.
humongous squirrel.
Huge. I thought it was a bear.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna go hang out with Danny Trejo.
And eat some food?
We're gonna go see what his tacos are all about. Apparently he's got like bottomless guac. Which I'm pretty, I actually hate guacamole, so I don't know why. I'm
Yeah,
excited
so
about it.
here's the thing about Barry. He doesn't eat guacamole. He doesn't like avocados. He says they taste like boogers. He's not really from here. All right. Any final words for our friends and family?
No, but we're gonna, after this, we're gonna stuff our faces, and then we're gonna hit up Echo Mountain that we did yesterday.
Because we're overachievers.
No, because it's a blood wolf, purple, supercalifragilistic moon, and it's an eclipse, and it only happens once every billion years.
This week's Good Vibe of the Week shout out goes to Fathom Bistro Bait and Tackle. They've taken something that's already awesome and made it even better by standing up for what they think is right and making the community a better place. What they did, they took Pliny the Younger beer release, which is one of the rarest and most sought after beers in the world, and they sold 50 tickets and 100% of the proceeds went to their local Planned Parenthood chapter. So thank you, Fathom Bistro Bait and Tackle. Cheers. And there's your dose of good vibes for this week. If you or someone you know is on a mission to make the world a better place, we want to hear about it. Drop us a comment down below or send us an email. We'd love to share your good vibes in a future episode. All right, well, I think that'll about do it for this week. Thanks for tuning in. If we don't see you on the road, we hope to see you on the trail.
And don't forget, we put out new episodes every Tuesday. Follow us on Instagram at Williams in the Wild, and be sure to subscribe at williamsinthewild.com so you don't miss a single episode. We'll see you in a little bit.
See ya.
Morning, Mrs. Williams.
Morning.
What are we looking at?
The most beautiful sunrise I've seen at this parking spot.
All right, let's check it out.
Yeah. I had some feelings on that hike. I'm talking to it. I'm talking to people. Whoever's watching, the 13 people who watch.